Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 says 8a to the 7th b to the 3rd c squared divided by 2a squared b squared c squared. Since this is division, we are going to use the quotient property. The quotient property says to divide exponents with the same base, you subtract the exponents. So first we'll look at the 8 and the 2. 8 divided by 2 has always been and will forever be 4. Now we'll look at the base a. A to the 7th divided by a squared will keep the base a and subtract 7 minus 2 and get 5. Now we'll look at base b. B to the 3rd divided by b squared will keep the base b, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Remember, I don't have to write the 1. That's the hidden ones in math. Finally, we'll look at the base c. C squared divided by c squared. Well, they're exactly the same, which means they're going to divide to 1, or as some people say, they cancel out. So our answer would be 4a to the 5th b.